Hi everyone, today I want to share with you this configuration box that I created. The paper line that I used is this one right here. It's by Stamperia and it's called the Dream Collection. I absolutely love these papers, the colors are beautiful and I love the stitching and the distressing on the paper, so I really enjoyed creating with this paper line. And I purchased this book box at a local craft store. It's a craft colored book box. And I hand stitched the papers along the edges and I colored the edges with some vintage photo distress ink, and I did that all the way around and here as well. And in the corner I have some wild orchid craft flowers and I used my stardust stickles on the flowers. I really hope it shows on camera. In the background I have a paper doily, and this is a die cut from the paper collection. And here I have another cluster of flowers that I used my stickles on. Here I have a crochet heart that I made, and this key is a charm from my stash, and it's quite flat, so it was really nice to use on this project. And I have some pearls in the corners as well. I used some seam binding from Wild Orchid Crafts as a closure, and I adhered some papers along the edges as well. I had to cut this piece out. And now let me open up the book box. Here I created a pocket and I used some lace from Cindy's Scrap Shop. It's like a tassel lace and I absolutely love it. I have some tags from the paper collection. And it says "For you and with love," and I didn't write anything on the tags because I figured that my friend maybe can use them on another project if she likes. The box came without any compartments, so I created 3 of them myself. I used some lightweight chipboard and I adhered several layers to make it quite sturdy. So here I have some lace from a local scrap shop, and this is from Cindy's Scrap Shop. And let me show you this compartment first. It's really hard to show these boxes in a proper way, but I will do my best. Here I have a light bulb, and here I have a crochet heart that I made. I used some jute twine and a Wild Orchid Crafts flower. This is a chest piece, it's a glass chest piece, and I have some more flowers and a bead. I created this butterfly with my Martha Stewart punch, and I used this punch right here. Oops, I'm sorry for the glare. And in this compartment I have a wooden ruler, and I purchased it years ago. I'm not sure where it came from, but I really like to use these in my configuration boxes. I have another butterfly and another flower from Wild Orchid Crafts, and here I have a glass bottle, and I filled it with some glass beads, and I wrapped around some jute twine, the same that I used to crochet this heart, and I adhered all my pieces with glossy accents, so I hope it all stays together when it's in the postage. And this is the biggest compartment. I have some more flowers in the background and here as well. This is a charm that I had in my stash for years, as well as this pair of glasses. I purchased these at a flea market years ago and I have 2 left, so it was really nice to use one in this configuration box. And here I have a crochet flower that I made and some more flowers in the background. So it's been a while since I created a configuration box, and it was really nice to create a small size like this. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's 5 by 4 inches. So yeah, I really hope my friend will like this box, and I hope you like my box as well. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.